Morning Tool Talk, it's Chris from Minty Property Developments. Today we're reviewing the pipe deburrer and kind of chamfer tool. So with all copper pipes, plastic pipes as well, it's really good. Internal deburrer for copper, so it'll take, as you're using your cutters, it creates a little burr on the inside, stick that on, wind it round, and then it gets rid of that internal burr, any swarf on the pipe or anything like that. And also puts a chamfer. So with push fit mainly, it can be a pain if you cut it square with the plastic cutters. You struggle to get them in the fittings, so use that again, give it a little spin, it creates that chamfer on the edge of the pipe, allowing you to push through the washer. Nice and handy, fairly solidly built. It'll probably take a bit of a whack and it's not going to damage it. Again, fits nicely in the box, no problems with it. But yeah, from what I've used, it's a good bit of kit.